Welcome back to my viewers and returning subscribers. If this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for watching. Today's recipe is easy moist oil based cake. Okay, so stay tuned. Please watch this video till the end. To begin with, you need your scale to be able to bake a perfect cake. You can't bake without a scale, so get yourself any kind of scale. It is very important. Another thing you will need as a mother at home is your baking foam. If you want to save some money, learn how to bake those little cakes at home for birthdays or any other occasion. We have bright, big, small, high baking foam. Okay, time to bake. Here are the following dry ingredients. And the wet ingredients are now, pardon my much talking on this video today, lovelies, but I feel like doing the best explanation I can will give you the best of the moist oil cake. Okay, so now my first step is to separate my egg white from the egg yolk. That is what I'm doing right away here. So if you are done with that, make sure you have no drops of egg yolk in your egg white. If not, you will not achieve your goal. Then introduce the 75-gram granulated sugar and whisk. Now this is the result of my whipped egg white. It is looking super stiff. This is what you should achieve. When you are done, you want to scoop out and set aside. The second step is you will introduce your egg yolk, powdered sugar and lemon zest. Beat until you achieve a nice good looking batter of yellow gold. Now go in with your oil step by step. Prevent not adding your oil at a time, just drop as you go. This is the texture you want to have after adding your oil. The look of the texture of the American pancake. Okay, nice thick consistence as a batter. Okay, now it is time to go in with your water. Again, you want to drop your water bit by bit, just like you see me do on the screen. Okay, when that is done, now the texture should be like the basic pancake, the basic grape. This is what I have. It is looking very nice, a little bit thicker than the basic grape texture. Get your sieve and pass through your flour, salt, and baking powder. Take note of this. When your flour comes in your batter in, prevent using the high speed to incorporate it in. Okay, so you want to go on a low speed. This matters a lot. Then you want to introduce your white egg step by step. Another thing you have to take caution of: do not over stir your egg white in your batter in. You want to use a spatula, just as you see me do. Scrape your bowl and fold it in. This is to prevent letting the hair out. This process will give you a nice, super moist, good looking texture of cake. Okay, just fold it in with some love. Here is my good looking ready to bake batter. Now it is time to get your foam. Okay, depending on the quantity you want to go for, small, big, or however. If you are going for a smaller portion, please be ready to minus the ingredients. Okay, so go in with some butter to grease your foam and dust in flour. This will prevent your cake from getting burnt. The foam you are using, the quality of the foam, of course, matters a lot. Pour in your batter and tap down at least 3 times to let out any forming hair. You want to bake at 150 to 160 degrees C maximum. It shouldn't be more than 160. I baked on a high heat program, okay, for 35 to 40 minutes. 35 to 40 minutes. It was super good. I promise you, lovelies. So one thing, what happened was my sister called me. My little niece's birthday is just 2 days to go. The friend who used to bake for her would not make it this time to bake, so I should send her some recipe on birthday cake. So I had none on my channel, so it was just an opportunity to bake this cake and post on my channel for other mothers who want to bake birthday cakes. Over here, it is so expensive to get a nice birthday cake, but at home, you can make your birthday cake in no time. 35 minutes later, this is how good, moist, and delicious my cake is. I am not saying this because I want you to give this recipe a try, but because I want you to be proud of you after trying this recipe just like me. Each time I bake this cake, I am so proud of myself. It comes out every now and then. 15 years ago, this recipe has been following me and I keep baking it again and again. The good thing about oil-based cake is that the longer it stays, you don't need to put in the fridge. The longer it stays, the better, moist, and delicious it tastes. Now, the upcoming video will be on how to dress your cake for birthdays or any other occasion. So please stay connected, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. I appreciate you all for watching thus far. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. You want to share with your loved ones. Also leave your opinion down below. Thank you all so much for watching. After your cake has cooled down, you want to cover with a plastic foil. This is just to prevent it from getting dry. And here is our upcoming video. Stay connected. Thank you all so much. See you in my next one. Bye for now.